Have you ever been curious why the same species can have so many different traits? What are the factors which causes those different traits? Are those traits decided by the nature or chosen by organisms themselves? Humans have not been able to answer these questions for a long time until the 19th century. Scientists such as Charles Darwin and Jean-Baptiste Lamarck came up with the concept of evolution, which is the foundation of modern biology. In this video, we are going to talk about the differences between Darwin's theory and Lamarck's theory. But first, in order to have deep comprehension of these two theories, we need to know what is evolution. Evolution is the transformation of organisms over time, where new species evolve from previously existing species. But how did organisms evolve? There are two different opinions. One is from Charles Darwin called Natural Selection, which published on the Origin of Species in 1859. The other one was broached by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, which published on Philosophie Zoologique in 1809. Although these theories are different, the similarity they have is that both of Darwin and Lamarck went to the Galapagos Islands. However, after observing the exact same organisms, they came up with totally contrary theories. Nowadays, Darwin's theory is considered to be more correct than Lamarck's based on sufficient evidence. One of the most widely circulated evidence is the Archaeopteryx, where fossils and anatomy play important roles. A 150 to 145 million-year-old fossil of Archaeopteryx was found in southern Germany in 1860. The fossil indicated that the Archaeopteryx had jaws with teeth and a long bony tail like dinosaurs, broad wings and feathers like birds, and skeletal features of both. This discovery verified the assumption that birds had reptilian ancestors, which also verified the natural selection theory proposed by Darwin. Different from Darwin, Lamarck believed that if an organism changed over time to adapt to its environment, the change would be passed on to its offspring. An example of Lamarck's idea would be giraffes. If giraffes could not reach the food on trees, they would stretch their necks to be longer. If that one giraffe that had stretched its neck had offspring, they would inherit the long neck from that giraffe. Within the development of scientific technology, Lamarck's theory has been proved as wrong. Based on Lamarck's theory, animals are able to change their own traits to adapt to the environment, which means there should be no extinction. However, there is abundant evidence that lies under the ground. Based on research, giraffes evolved from Sametherium, which looks like this. The fossil proved that elongation of giraffes is not caused by themselves. Compared to short-necked Sametherium, the ones with longer necks survived and had more offspring. After thousands of generations, the short-necked Sametherium died with its name, and the evolved long-necked Sametherium became what we call the giraffe.